And just the background, Judge. First of all, Ms. Cherry believes that she's innocent of the charges. This woman was not a witness in the DNN case, but she was friends with teachers at a school where there was some mandatory reporting that resulted in a DNN case that resulted in Miss Cherry's ex-husband getting custody of her children. This was very upsetting to her because in 2002, in Weld County Case 02-DR-652, she was awarded custody of her children. I've looked at some transcripts from some of those hearings. It was drawn out until 2005, but she was awarded custody. Mrs. Cherry spent a lot of money on an attorney. Some child psychologists presented evidence at the hearing suggesting that her ex-husband had molested the children. They were child psychologists that had expertise in child play therapy, and they believed that some disclosures had been made by the children during some of this therapy. So it was very frustrating for Miss Cherry when in a 2006 JV 237 a DNN case was opened as a result of one of her children having a broken arm, and at this point she did not have money for an attorney, and her husband, ex-husband, got involved in that case and ended up getting custody awarded back to her. She attempted, back to him, I apologize. And it was frustrating for her because she tried to reintroduce the evidence of the sexual abuse, and I looked the case up online, and she was denied to make references to that evidence. She didn't have the money to call experts or have counsel, and she felt that all the teachers and the principal thought that she was making those allegations up, and thus her animosity towards the teachers at that school. On top of that, there was another Weld County case where she was charged with felony criminal libel because after losing her children, she picketed the school, and with a permit. She was charged with the felony, but it was subsequently dismissed by the Weld County District Attorney's Office, and I believe it might have even been a no file, but there were some police reports involving that made it into discovery in this case. But that is just some background that Miss Cherry wanted me to share with you. Losing her children was the most painful thing that ever happened to her, and she thinks she has been undergoing mental health treatment in the past, and she thinks that mental health treatment is something that's beneficial to her because she is in a lot of pain because of what happened, and she believes she was treated very unfairly in losing her children. She just wanted the court to hear that background and waive as many costs and fees that the court is able to do so in a case of this nature. Thank you very much.